Our mission is to really help grow manufacturing in the United States, and what's critical to the success of that is having skilled workers who are excited about going into manufacturing. And that's exactly what the AmSkills program does.
One of the biggest successes of this particular program is the number of people that have gone through this program and gotten jobs as a result of the program in some of the biggest name companies.
What's nice about our program, we're exposing that new potential employee in a sense where now you actually can see what their capabilities are. Where I think in that resume of people just knocking on a door trying to find a job, these are individuals that are really coming out and saying, hey, we really want a career, we can really see ourselves doing this, for long term.
My personal opinion of the staff here at AmSkills and how they've helped me is very high. They've not only helped me with the projects, but they help motivate me to be more successful in the industry and in life in general. I'm very grateful for all their help.
It's been a great opportunity. I never knew that there was something out there like this. It's hard to get your foot in the door when you're trying to do something new, so it's awesome that they can provide this opportunity.
I think everybody is going for the positive. Everybody's looking to help each other out because, like I said, it's for your success. Nobody wants to see anybody fail. Even if you're having more difficulty, they'll make sure you're up to pace where you feel comfortable.
So far, I've been very impressed. One thing I've seen is interviewing the candidates that we have interviewed today. Generally, I'm seeing a better caliber compared to if you just do temp to hire. Sometimes you're rolling the dice.
It's really a great way to find people that are capable, who are looking to work, who are just not quite yet exposed. In addition to that, AmSkills is great about doing follow-up training and honing in on more specific skills after after that just initial exposure to manufacturing.
It's a lot of times, especially if they're new to an employer or new to a career, they may not know exactly what to do, and if they have problems, how to handle things. So I'll help coach them through their career. And how I do that is I talk to them like on a 30, 60, 90-day interval, see how they're doing, and then I talk to their direct supervisor to find out. And what we want to do is just talk to both ends of them and see if there's anything that's going on. What can I do to help them through? We want to make sure that they are successful. So we want the employers to be happy, and we want all the employees to be happy as well.
It's exciting to be here today to see the graduates and to see how interested manufacturers are in the skills that they're developing. We know that the number one issue that manufacturers face today in the United States is finding skilled laborers, and the AmSkills program is exactly right to help solve that problem.